Are you wondering how to factory reset your Google Home? In this video, I will show you how. Cue the intro. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel. In here, we review smart home products and family tech, as well as discuss tips and tricks that can help make your lives a little bit easier. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell. I also have the show notes, the timestamp, as well as the affiliate links in the description box below. Alright, now because you're going to factory reset this Google Home, if you need help with setting it up, I have the video link here and you can just click on that if you, I will also put it in the description box below as well. So in order for you to factory reset Google Home, all you need to do is the mute button at the back, just press it for about 10 seconds or so, and then this light should show up.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
All right, so just wait until all the circles, like circle there. So now you can release, and then now it will actually factory reset your Google Home. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash that like button if you have to. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you in my next one.